show you how to use ChatGPT to create images for your blog post, for your website, landing pages. Last video I showed how to use ChatGPT 4 and the latest version for creating content. But let me show on the short video to how to create an image, how to easily prompt it, what you need to do to get the image on the different ratios, and how you actually tell you want men, the bloggers, images. How do you want it? Like it's pretty easy to get this thing done, and like gone are the days, right? Like you have to wait for a designer for hours to, however, still of course an actual designer would do this one really better, but you shouldn't be just not having images or miss out on that point because you can't pay for a designer or hire somebody on Fiverr, hire somebody on Upwork. That shouldn't be stopping you right now, because as a blogger, if you have ChatGPT, you can do a lot of image creation. So this is an article and that I created, and how I would like just get a quick image done like that, just nice and suitable. I'll literally say create a suitable image also on the landscape, because I want the image to be like this, which I can use that featured image as well for the WordPress blog, and create an image to showcase the hybrid cooling. So nicely created image. It's really super easy. And I create another image, an image that shows a man blogging by the beach with his laptop and have some books on the table. He refers to also have a swimming pool by the side. It actually create two images, right? So not really, I don't really much like it, but you can go about it creating. But what I said, it actually got it done. Some other things you can do, you can literally even upload an image and even say create an image similar to that. That is really one of the things. So if I say this one, I'll upload this one. You can see I'll upload this one, and then I would say create a man blogging looks like on the image of me blogging. I'll just like say my name. Even by now ChatGPT knows a lot of Fernando Rema, because I have prompted. So and then I would say image should be horizontal. Let's see what it comes. I gave it like so. You can upload an image and even come up, but of course it's not going to do exactly that image or anything, because it still create that image that gives that animated kind of feeling, like the AI feeling. That's what is actually come. But I really believe, like, see, like it really identified a man with a blog actually on the phone on the hand, and then looking at the laptop. And I'm kind of looking at the phone mostly, but this man is actually looking at the phone, and the background it kind of understood like that. It really also understood. So you can really see it's pretty similar to the image that I gave that wanted to get it. So this is how you can actually really create images that you want it with ChatGPT. We are using at Seekerhost the ChatGPT, the latest the 4 version. 4 was really good. This version is even better to do like detailed writing analysis, and for image creation it's pretty even fast. That's the best part, like really fast you can create the images. So what I would do, once I create an image, rather even downloading the image like that, it's up to you how you want to do that. You can download it and name, but I would then prefer you actually size it, because when you download it's quite heavy. So what I would do, I just like screenshot the image, paint it on here, then I would actually name the save the image. It's a JPEG, and I'll actually say man blogging by the city office. So I literally name it like that. I saved it, image save. I can give it to the article pretty easy. So all those things are really easy for me to do if I actually use the ChatGPT for images. So you saw how easy it is to create an image using ChatGPT. It just takes a minutes to really utilize the ChatGPT. This is how you can use ChatGPT to create images, unlimited images. I sometimes actually, as I write the guides and the stuff, I'll just like even say like create the images, like email outreach for backlinks. So literally this guide as I created, like look at how much I would prompt. Like this is how you need to watch the previous video, how much you need to feed information. I almost write like 100 to 200 words, sometimes 100 at least words, just to say the name, the tonality, who writes is whose voice, what references, everything, and then the article will go about, and then it will go like the image actually the way I wanted to create it. So if you're a blogger, you want to use images for your blogs, this is how easy for you to start using ChatGPT DALL-E to create images, and which images you can actually just create amazing images the way you want it, however you prompt. So pretty easy to do that one. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and drop a comment, drop a question if you want to see a next video. I'll be back with your next video at Seacast.